Taking Apart Numbers by Leslie Ford. Taking apart numbers. We read, count, and play in school every day. We keep our classroom safe by putting things away. And this is the same at home as well. So your home is like your classroom now. So you're going to keep your home safe by putting things away as well. It is time to put away the watering cans. Let's go ahead and collect a whiteboard and an expo marker. And we're going to find different ways of taking these numbers apart. There are 3 watering cans. Show a way to put the cans on the shelves. So what's one way we can put the watering cans away? Notice how we have 2 parts. What's one way of doing it? Do you have a different way of doing it? Now show a different way. So one idea would be we could put 2 here, and we could put 1 there. That's one way of taking the parts and taking the whole and separating it into parts. What's another way of doing it? We have 2 and 1. What's another way? Okay, we could also have, we could have 3 on one shelf, and then we would have how many in this part? 0. So that's going to be up to you. So use your whiteboard and think of different ways you could split 3. What are different ways you could take 3 apart? It's time to put away the cars. There are 4 cars. Show a way to put the cars in the tubs. So split that whole number into 2 parts. Now show a different way of splitting them up. Do you have it? Take a photo of it and seesaw it to me, please. It's time to put away the puppets. There are 5 puppets. Show a way to put the puppets in the cubbies. How can you separate 5? You could draw a number bond or a picture. Now, show a different way. Maybe you can get creative and show more than just 2 ways of separating the 5. It's time to put away the books. There are 6 books. Show a way to put the books in the baskets, either with pictures or numbers. Now show a different way of dividing that 6. You can pause the video and work out different ways as well. It's time to put away the paintbrushes. There are 7 paintbrushes. Show a way to put the paintbrushes in the bins. Now show a different way, and you can be creative and come up with multiple ways. So 7 is the whole number. You have your 2 parts. You decide how you want to break those down. Do you want to have maybe 0 in one basket and 7 in the other, or 3 in the first basket and 4 in the other? You decide. Seesaw your results. It's time to share a snack. There are 8 apple slices. Show a way to put the apple slices on the plates. So you might want to pause this video. We want to see one possible combination. And after you're done with that, show a different way to take that number apart. If you're struggling on this, one idea we have is to pull 8 cubes out. Take 8 cubes out and then just divide them up, and then you'll have an idea, an actual physical model to help support this. But we should come up with multiple ways of dividing this 8 up. We could have 2 equal groups. We could have them all on one plate and none on the other. There are many ways that you can divide your 8 up. So have fun and show me when you have results. Use your whiteboard. Check out your answers first. That would be great. Cleaning up is an important rule. It keeps us safe when we're at home or school. While you're cleaning up your room at home, wouldn't it be great if you could count and then divide them up? I have 7 dinosaur toys. I'm going to take 4 first, then I'm going to take 3 more. And you could be counting while you're working. That would be great. See you soon. As a bonus, we're showing 1 through 8 on our 10 frames. Down below is a really cool 5 group that was divided into 2 parts, a 2 and a 3, like a number bond there. And as a follow-up, wouldn't it be great if we could take your favorite number from 1 to 20, put it at the top of the chart, and then come up with multiple ways of splitting it up? So you pick a number from 1 to 20, put it at the top, that is your whole, and then come up with 3 different ways of splitting that number up. I'll be really anxious to see what you have there. And if you could seesaw us the work, that would be great. Have fun counting. I know you like doing it, and I'll see you for the next lesson.